Elaboration Likelihood Model, ELM. The Elaboration Likelihood Model, ELM, developed by Richard Petty and John Cacioppo, is a dual-process theory that explains how attitudes are formed and changed. It proposes that there are two main routes to persuasion, the central route and the peripheral route. Here's a breakdown of the ELM. Two routes to persuasion. Central route. This route involves careful and thoughtful consideration of the information presented in a persuasive message. It occurs when individuals are motivated and able to process the information. People using the central route focus on the strength and quality of the arguments. Attitude changes resulting from the central route are typically more enduring and resistant to counter-persuasion. Peripheral route. This route involves less effort and relies on peripheral cues, such as source credibility, example expertise, attractiveness. Superficial aspects of the message, example length, visual appeal. Positive or negative associations, example emotions, feelings. It occurs when individuals are less motivated or less able to process the information. People using the peripheral route are more influenced by these cues than by the actual content of the message. Attitude changes resulting from the peripheral route are typically less stable and more susceptible to change. Factors influencing route selection. Motivation. Individuals are more likely to use the central route when they are highly motivated to process the information, example when the issue is personally relevant. They are more likely to use the peripheral route when they are less motivated. Ability. Individuals are more likely to use the central route when they have the cognitive ability to process the information, example when they have sufficient knowledge and understanding. They are more likely to use the peripheral route when they have limited cognitive resources or are distracted. Need for cognition. This is a personality variable that reflects an individual's tendency to engage in and enjoy effortful cognitive activities. People high in need for cognition tend to be more likely to use the central. Implications. The ELM highlights the importance of tailoring persuasive messages to the audience. When targeting a highly motivated and able audience, it's essential to provide strong arguments and evidence. When targeting a less motivated or less able audience, it's more effective to focus on peripheral cues. Advertisers will use celebrities, or attractive people in ads, to influence those who are taking the peripheral route. They will also use very fact-based ads for those who are more likely to take the central route. In essence, the ELM provides a valuable framework for understanding how persuasion works and how to design effective persuasive messages.